Wanted to talk real quick about in-home estimates. Number one, if you are not doing them, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. This is when you do walkthroughs, this is the time that you're building that relationship. You're connecting with those customers. You're looking at the condition of the house, and there's so much more, but that's another video. The point I want to say on this video is when you are on a walkthrough and the customer's showing you the house and you notice it, let's say in the bathroom, there is a glass shower door that is older and is stained and it has like water spots on it. If you are not pointing that out to the client, that could be an issue. Number one, you always want to point out, or I don't want to tell you what to do, but what I did in my business for 30 years was when I saw things like this, I would always point it out to the customer and say, I will do my best to get it clean, but I cannot guarantee that it will I can't get all this dirt off. I would say something like, I wish I had a magic wand to wave and make this sparkling clean and brand new again, but I don't. There's a couple of reasons why I do this. Number one, I'm not wasting my time on trying to get something clean that's probably not going to get clean. And number two, which is really important, is I'm setting expectations for my client. This is key here. Setting the expectation of what your client can expect is really everything. And this is also another reason why I always do walkthroughs, because I never know the condition of the home. Even if they send pictures, I never know what the true condition of the home is. And again, I'm using that time on the estimate to build a relationship and connect with that client, because in my business, I always looked for longevity. I kept the majority of my clients for 15, 20 years. Think about that. That is I'm getting paid every week. Sorry, my hair is like all over the place. I'm getting paid week after week after week after week after week, not having to go spend money on looking for new accounts. So building these relationships and connecting with these clients is going to give you the longevity. Being honest with them and setting the expectation, the cleaning expectation, is going to be key, and it's going to help you have these clients for a long time and again attract higher paying clients.